Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can turn off find similar in TikTok. So what you have to do, just go to your profile. Okay, let's go to the profile. Now on the top right corner you will see this three horizontal line, this hamburger button. Just tap there. Now you will see settings and privacy. Tap there. Scroll down until you see playback. Tap on it. Now here you will see display object tags. This is enable, just make it disable. Okay, now let's go to a video. Okay, as you can see there is no find similar button on the screen. So that's it guys, likewise you can turn off find similar on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you on the next video.